We now go to 2 News reporter Sartaj Singh. He joins us live outside of one of Fairborn's salt barns, where Fairborn is confident in their salt supply. Sartaj, how many tons of that salt do they have?
Well, Jack, they tell me that behind me is 800 tons of salt. Take a look right now at all the salt that you can see in the barn. Now, it's a little bit not as illuminated as it was before, but there's enough salt there that looks like a small hill. Now, we were here earlier today and saw trucks starting to get filled to tackle the upcoming snow. Now, I was able to talk with one business that says they will be open this weekend and says that they hope the roads can stay drivable.
For businesses like My Mother's Memories in Fairborn, the anticipation of that snow is already affecting business.
We have a lot of our customers have come in this morning already trying to beat that big possible snow.
They say that they will be open for the storm, but their main concern, icy or undrivable road conditions.
We're going to be prepared, but we're here. Yeah, always worried about the roads impacting our weather. Impacting our business for sure, yeah.
Those road conditions at the forefront of the minds of those in the city of Fairborn.
We have 800 tons here already.
And the city says that they have enough salt to tackle the storm. The building this salt barn is located in was made in 2025, allowing the city to utilize more up-to-date techniques that involve brine as well as beet heat mixtures.
We can mix that beet heat in with the salt, which makes it a little bit stronger, and the beet heat changes like the molecular composition of the salt, which makes it fight. It's more of like a de-icer and helps break down the snow and ice quicker.
The city says that they want to act fast and keeping residents in mind.
We just try and tackle it one street at a time. We can at least get people out of their neighborhoods and they can get to the grocery store, they can get gas, or they can get to the places that they need.
And for those who are worried that their street may not be taken care of, the city just asks for one thing: patience.
Just depending on how much snow we're getting is going to be indicative of how quickly we can clear those roads. And we are going to get to you. It just might take a minute, so patience is key. But we're not going to forget about you. We will definitely get to you at some point.
Now, the city also wants to remind residents that if you do have to go out, make sure you stay safe and slow down your speeds. And they say if you see any city workers or plow or any trucks on the roadways clearing the snow, make sure you give them ample room to work. In Fairborn, Sartaj Singh, 2 News.